This is one way to store your chisels. But if you don't have a drill press, don't want to make something so elaborate as a walnut chisel holder, use Pool Noodles. Let me show you how. And measure the length from the hosel down to the tip of the blade. That's 4 3/4, and that one's about 4 inches. And cut your noodle to the size that you prefer, whether you want them to be even with this, inside of that, or a little bit longer. I'm gonna cut mine at 4 inches. And I need something to stand on, so I'm gonna have 2 facing boards with a little ledge in between for my noodles to be able to stand on, so the blade can go through there in between the bottom plywood. This is 1/2 inch plywood I'm using, just cut to length. So I'll cut the end caps to 3 inches, and that will be just enough for these to fit in here nicely. And I'll attach those with a little glue and brad nails. Now just get a razor knife and cut your noodles to your preferred length. In my case, it's 4 inches. Now we just line them up. Look at there, we got one to grow on. Let's try it out for fit. These are the long ones, the long chisels. Perfect. So if you want a way to store your chisels, particularly if you get new ones for Christmas, think Pool Noodles. One size fits all. So if you like our tip for our chisel storage, give us a thumbs up. Want to see more of our tips? Consider subscribing down below. And as usual, come back and see me real soon.